Hi everyone, I'm Rupakshi. I'm a podiatry student at Western Sydney University. Today I'll be talking about कि हम कैसे अपना एक गोल ओरिएंटेड मैनेजमेंट प्लान बनाते हैं फॉर अ पेशेंट जिसको कोई ज़्यादातर खतरा नहीं है. तो इससे क्या होगा कि जो हमारी ये जो मतलब कि हमारा जो ये एक trick है so that we can deliver a safe person centered और patients like specific to the patient. और हम अपने जो आउटकम चाहते हैं कि अगर एक पेशेंट फॉर एग्जांपल एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम लेके आया है तो हम उसे कैसे मतलब कि अचीव करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ अ पेशेंट इज 68-year-old वुमेन एंड हु जस्ट केम फॉर जर्नल नेल केयर और तो उसके जो नेल्स है बहुत ज़्यादा थिक हो चुके हैं विच इज़ वेरी कॉमन. With age, circulation decreases and the thickness increases because nail needs proper nutrients from the blood to grow normally. But when the blood supply is less, so nail grows slowly, and that's the main reason they go thick. And she also reports the dry skin, but no pain, no numbness, no ulceration. और जिसके blood related results आते हैं they quite normal, so which makes the patient to the low risk. Now, in podiatry, we use goal-oriented management plan, which is called GOMS. तो उसको 3 stages में divide किया जाता है: short, medium, and long. Now, let's do because I have bloody exam in 2 weeks. Let's practice. So I will start like that, and that's what I'm gonna tell exactly to my patient that my short-term goal today is to decrease your pain, which is caused by the thickened nail. And my also goal is because you're presented with dry skin, so I want you to use safe feet framework, which is like focusing on your self-care. Moisturize them, moisturize with the urea based cream because they go urea and that helps you get rid of the dead skin. And when you don't get rid of dead skin, that's how you have dry skin. Good footwear. Most of the people, they report pain in their feet. That's because they're wearing very unsupportive footwear. So you have to wear a good supportive and flexible footwear, and definitely moisturizing. That's the short-term goal. And definitely trimming, cutting, nailing, and clearing the callus. तो पूरे सारे उसको साफ करना. The medium-term goal is to help you maintain the integrity of your skin. Means to say कि तुम्हारे जो स्किन है उसको मतलब कि उसकी अच्छी केयर, लाइक बिकॉज ओल्ड पीपल में इट गेट्स फ्रेजाइल, बिल्कुल ही पतली होती है ना स्किन. तो हमारा मेन फोकस क्या है कि उनकी जो स्किन है बिल्कुल ही सही रहे. हाउ कैन वी अचीव दैट? Safe footwear, check your blood levels like circulation, and regularly visits the clinic every